Hello, friends. I did so many mistakes in the stock market, or I don't want that you will also do this type of mistake on your trading journey. So, as per my experience, on behalf of my knowledge, I'm making this video the basic do or don't of the stock market, which should we should do and which we should avoid on our trading career. So, this is the brief summary. If you want to learn more about these things, then you can write me on the comment box. I will make a detailed video about this key and important chapters because these are basic but most important key point in our trading profession. So the basic tools are, if you are passionate about this process, if you want to take it as a profession, you want to learn about the process, you want to get the knowledge about this process, then you can enter in the stock market, you can do the day trading. Or if you are a greedy person, you want to just make the money within 1 or 2 days, you want to become rich within a short period of time, then a big don't, because this greediness will be very harmful for your financial health. It will kick and out you from the market sooner or later. So it's my suggestion you to please do not enter in the stock market. If you are having a trading strategy, you are having a trading plan, then you can work in the market. Or if you are waiting for the holy grail strategy, or you are changing your plan, your strategy on daily basis, or you are waiting for the 100% okay at every time holy grain strategy, then a big don't. Please do not enter in the stock market. If you are a self control person, you can control your emotions, you can control your fear, you can control your greed, you can control your emotions, then only you can survive in the market. Or you are a over excited person, you cannot control your emotions, your greed and your fear, then you cannot survive in the market. A big don't for you. If you are having patience, you can wait till evening for a single trade. You can wait for the opportunity. You can wait for the right time entry, right time exit. Then only you can survive in the market. Or if you are an impatient trader, you want to take 10 to 15 lot in a day, you want to become rich within 1 or 2 days, then a big don't for you. Please do not do this. Please do not do this type of activity because this type of activity will be very, very, very dangerous for your financial health. If you are a disciplined person, you can follow your rule and regulation, then you can survive in the market. Or if you are an indisciplined person, you make new rules on daily basis and break the rule on daily basis, then you cannot survive in the market. There should be some rule and regulation, and you have to follow all these rule and regulation on daily basis without any if and but. So this is the overview about these points. These are basics but most important point for your trading profession. If you want to learn more, if you want to know about on the detail of these key points, then you can write me on the comment box. I will make a separate video for each point. I'm sharing this on behalf of my experience, my knowledge. So you, if you want, then you can take a benefit of my experience, my knowledge. And if you like this video, then you can press the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friend also. And write your suggestion in the comment box. I will make a video, separate video for each and every point. Guys.